Manufacturers around the world are now even more keen to maximize uptime, reliability, and efficiency. With growing labor, energy, and operating costs, equipment health monitoring has become a priority for manufacturing facilities. At manufacturing facilities, up to 80% of unplanned downtime is caused by equipment failures. Unexpected equipment failures can result in millions of dollars of financial losses. Manual inspection of equipment is not only expensive, but also leads to human errors, worker fatigue, and exposes workers to hazardous conditions. In life science facilities, key parameters including humidity and room temperature are often manually monitored. Honeywell's versatilis transmitters will help reduce downtime, reduce manual operation, and monitor ambient conditions. Honeywell's versatilis transmitters can measure vibration, acoustics, surface temperature, ambient temperature, barometric pressure, and humidity in various combinations. These transmitters use LoRaWAN protocol suite, enabling easy, low-cost connectivity, while being convenient for on-premises solutions. An extremely low-power design allows these transmitters to run up to 5 years on a very small inbuilt battery, with additional future options for energy harvesting to extend battery life. Honeywell's versatilis transmitters can be installed and configured within minutes from a tablet or a mobile device with Honeywell Versatilis Connect app. Honeywell Versatilis configurator users can leverage the same tablet to download the Versatilis Connect app, eliminating the need for additional hardware. Reliability engineers can monitor the health of assets across the plant remotely using user-friendly and intuitive Experian EHM solution. Experian EHM offers powerful remote monitoring capabilities that include live and historical equipment health trends and alarms to maximize uptime. Improving unplanned downtime, easy and efficient monitoring of equipment and facilities,